Okay, verify the reasoning of others. So let's look at what Joe has. Joe says that you can use volume equals length times width times height, or volume equals height times width times length to find the volume of a rectangular prism. Does Joe's statement make sense? Explain. Well, he's got an H in both, they got a W in both, they got an L in both, and they both equal V. So yes, that makes sense. Because we know, or we should know, that you can change the order when it comes to multiplication or addition. Yes, because the commutative property of multiplication says that we can change the order of the things or numbers being multiplied. Okay, number 12, a box measures 5 units by 3 units by 2.5 units. So let's find the volume. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 times 2.5, because 2.5 is 2.5. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. Kiss that 5 goodbye. 5, 1. So 2, 7, 5. Move my decimal over 1. 27.5. The greatest number of cubes with a side length of 1/2 unit that can be packed inside the box is 300. So the greatest number of cubes with the side length of 1/2 that can be packed inside the box is 300. Let's see. So what would we do? We would multiply that by 8. Let's see. I believe we'd multiply that by 8. Because remember, 1/2 units have cubes that are 1/8, have a volume of 1/8. So if the volume is 27.5 units cubed, if we multiply that by the reciprocal 8, we should get our answer. So let's see, that's going to be 40. That's going to be 56 plus 4 is 60. It's going to be 16 plus 6 is 24. Oh, and then, let me see. All right, let me come back to this. The volume of the box is 37. 5 by 3 by 2.5. What did I do wrong here? Oh, 25, 10, 12, 0 place. Oh, here's my Mr. Music. You probably already saw it. I put 1 times 5 is 5, and then I put 1 times 2 is 1. Should have had a 2 there. So that's going to be 37.5. Okay, that helps. 37.5, that helps with definitely with part B, because 37.5, that's true. Okay, the greatest number of cubes with a side length of 1/2 unit that can be packed inside the box is 300. So let me think here. Yeah, that should work now. 37.5 times 8, 40, 56, 60, 24, yep. And then we move our decimal over 1, 300, so that is also true. Oh, Mr. Music, see how a small little error right here can mess up our whole problem. Always double check your math. Lesson learned again. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.